I'm Adi, a senior consultant with Keyhole Software. Today I want to talk about a question I hear a lot. How do AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud compare, and which one's the right choice for your team? All three platforms are strong, but each has its own strengths and trade-offs. AWS is often the go-to for flexibility and the breadth of its services it offers. Azure fits naturally for organizations already invested in Microsoft technologies, making integration smoother. And GCP really shines when your focus is on data analytics and AI services, where its tools and performance can make a big difference. In practice, picking the right platform usually comes down to the project's needs and the team's familiarity. For example, on one project, we used AWS because the team needed fine-grained control over infrastructure and a wide variety of managed services. On another, Azure was the clear choice because the client's environment was heavily Microsoft-based, which made integration seamless. And we've seen GCP pull ahead on a project focused on machine learning. Its analytics-ready storage and high-performance network made processing large data sets much faster. Pricing is an area that can catch teams off guard. Each platform has its own model, and costs can add up if usage isn't monitored closely. AWS gives a lot of flexibility with pay-as-you-go and reserved instance options, which can save money if you can commit ahead of time. Azure pricing often aligns well with existing Microsoft agreements, which can make planning simpler for enterprise teams. GCP uses sustained use discounts automatically, which is great for workloads that run consistently over time. Things like data egress charges or idle resources might seem minor at first, but over time they can have a real impact on your budget. Networking and storage are similar. It's less about which platform is better and more about if they fit your needs. AWS offers a huge set of storage options and mature networking tools. Azure makes it easy to connect to on-premise networks, and GCP stands out for high-performance networks optimized for analytics. AWS offers a huge set of storing options and mature networking tools. Azure makes it easy to connect to on-premise networks. And GCP stands out for high-performance networks optimized for analytics. What really matters is understanding the platform you're on and leveraging it to its strengths. Once you're familiar with the platform, switching between clouds can still be challenging. Each has its own terminology, quirks, and management interfaces, and the hardest part is often unlearning assumptions from one platform while adopting to the next. If you plan to switch between providers, you should be aware of and plan for the challenges you'll face. At Keyhole, we've helped teams navigate these choices while balancing technical requirements, cost, and team familiarity. If your organization is evaluating the cloud or considering a migration, we'll hope you'll reach out. We'll be glad to share what's worked for other teams and help guide your process.